Excellent save, just 3 minutes before half-time as well.
Marc-Andre Ter Stegen, the talented goalkeeper of Barcelona FC, has caught the attention of fans not only for his outstanding skills on the field but also for his hair loss. Many have wondered if he has undergone a hair transplant surgery to address his receding hairline.
Yeah, it doesn't count more than just...
Ter Stegen began his professional career with Borussia Mönchengladbach in 2011. Quickly establishing himself as one of the top young goalkeepers in Europe, he earned his first international cap for Germany in 2012. He was a member of the national team that won the 2014 World Cup before joining Barcelona FC in the same year. Since then, he has become a fixture in the starting lineup and helped the team win numerous titles, including 4 La Liga championships and the UEFA Champions League.
Well, he played in pre-season, no? Pre-season.
Widely regarded as one of the best goalkeepers in the world, Ter Stegen is known for his quick reflexes, excellent distribution, and commanding presence in the penalty area. He has won numerous individual awards, including the UEFA Goalkeeper of the Year and the German Footballer of the Year. Male pattern baldness affects many men by 35, causing hair loss. Treatments exist to slow or reverse it. Hair transplant surgery is an effective solution. It extracts healthy follicles from a donor area and transplants them to balding spots. This procedure provides a permanent solution and boosts self-confidence.
And Isco playing the pass through for En-Nesyri. Fantastic save by Ter Stegen. En-Nesyri was through on goal. Again, Sevilla getting in behind.
Has Ter Stegen undergone a hair transplant? There is no official confirmation that Ter Stegen has undergone a hair transplant surgery, but it appears likely based on his before and after photos. His hairline has become fuller, and he appears to have more hair on the crown. This is a typical result of hair transplant surgery, where healthy hair follicles are extracted from the donor area and transplanted to the balding areas.
Cross comes in and it's Joe McConnell.
It's going to be cleared off the line by Araujo, but a real scramble in the goal mouth.
Ter Stegen's hair transplant is not officially confirmed, but his before and after photos suggest he may have had one. Hair transplant is an effective solution for male pattern baldness, providing permanent results. To find out if you're a candidate for the procedure, visit Smile Hair Clinic's website to learn more and schedule a free online consultation today.